I don't bring una matter from Vermont. For now we no know, now the northeastern United States. My people, these people matter shock me today, no be small thing. Hey, for now we no know wetin dey happen for this place. Right now, as I dey talk tonight, they don't elect goat and dog as their mayor. No be small thing, you know. This one, no be the one when they talk say wahala wear born straight. This one wear born straight. As at see, this goat where they talk about and the dog, they get name. They even give a name. For 2018, the Fairhaven residents, they do election, you understand? Now so they can elect what did they call her? Lincoln. The name of the goat now Lincoln. And that goat helped them to raise, my people not be smart, you know, he helped them to raise $10,000. Goat oh. And now the current one, his name na Murphy. He helped them to raise $20,000. 20,000. When this matter reach me, no, because I dey wonder, na animal where I know, I been an animal in form of human being. Animals. Now these people don't. No. Even me myself, I dey shame as I dey talk this thing, eh? My people, Nigerians, where una dey? Hey, they even give. You understand? This matter no dey do na something for body. Animals fit raise money for people. Human beings no even fit raise money. Una know wetin I dey talk about. Animals. All of una wey just dey there, they talk say na juju, na fake, na this one. Make it be juju, make it be fake. E no better pass wetin Nigeria get as president. E no better. No, make una answer me na. Everybody just open mouth dey talk. Una wey dey talk, una fit bring $1,000, not to talk of 30,000. Animal produce 30,000. Abeg biko bring this man picture outside, Mr. President of Nigeria, come aside. Even goat dey achieve wetin you never achieve. Bros, I no know whether shame even dey catch you. If all the cows wey you get fit start dey raise money, Nigeria life go better. Nigeria life go smooth, e go sweet. Nigeria go become better place. See your fellow animal kingdom. They do the most. They do pass the one way you think say you dey do. Wetin you don't do. And you sit down there. Every time they go that place, they visit cows. Every time they visit cows. You dey visit cows. Cows, we never even dey see wetin the cows they produce. As ordinary as milk, we never even see. Now una sit down, say una get president. Human being when we elect, when we put for seat, even they owe the whole of Nigeria. Now wow, Charlie. See, my people, the animals self go rule well. These animals go even rule well past who we get now. It be like say now goats and cows Naija go elect next to for this 2023. Now me I don't make my own conclusion. Human being no go give us wetin we need. Now cows and goats we go put now 2023. Make una hear am now. So start dey think whether na goat abi na cow. Start dey write am down because e dey very very important. Seriously. Then when we see if China never even come by Nigeria by that time, because as it be like this, Nigeria, we don't even know who can get Nigeria again. Okay, apart from God, human beings, we don't know who get Nigeria. Whether na China, I been another country. Before you know it, now we go here say they don't carry debt from another country. Two countries now go come they drag for Nigeria. Hey, shame suppose catch you, oh, Mr. President, because this matter, no be joke. I dey wonder how these people even do it. May they give us expose so that Nigeria go fit try am. Hi! This na big shame to Buhari's administration. Big shame. Una dey plan to sell properties. Una dey plan to sell properties from here, just to clear debt. When ordinary goats fit even raise money, we una no go even need to sell any property. And una sit down there, chairmen, chair ladies, finance. Now just to dey carry title, now una know. and they carry big buba and shokoto and gele. Na the only thing we una sabi do. Hey! Now wow, Vietnam. I be waiting they call her Vermont. Because una welcome. Una welcome. Seriously, because see, now full zoo we get for Abuja House of Assembly. Zoo. So it be like say this una strategy must work for us. So because animal no be our problem. We get am plenty. You understand? So I beg, welcome to the club and thank you for working us too. You understand? We are working after you people. Yeah, President Buhari. Because let's start something about this. I mean, my people, what you not think? Nigeria na already animal kingdom. So wetin remain? No be animal president. We go put am there. Case solved. Abeg, allow me speak small English, my people. My people, Nigerian woman don't go destroy husband wedding with another woman. This woman come outside, they shout, say they don't marry for 17 years. They get 3 boys and 1 girl, 4 children. And this man leave this woman, say they go marry another. Child, slay queens. Slay queens. And she said she dey aware of this thing, the man and the other girl. She dey aware for a long time. But she no talk. She waits now until wedding day. I beg, make the notice say I can't dey talk with the one wey no concern me because make una join me, see am with una eye and ear. Make we watch the video.
I've been here since monitoring this thing. He can't walk, he can't stand. This is my traditional wedding. This is my white wedding. Evidence. Everybody here, you are alive. AIT is watching. I waited for 17 years ago. This is my church wedding. So February 14th, 2014, this is my wedding picture. This is my family picture. I have 4 children, 3 boys and 1 girl. Then somebody wants to come and read. They're watching.
You know say your husband. You know say your husband dey see person. You no do anything. You no talk. You wait till wedding day. Till him put ring for the finger. So women sef una dey surprise me o. No, I no fit try am. The moment wey I even know say you dey do something behind my back, I don start my own way o. I go wait, you even put ring for the finger. Now be say the wedding don happen finish now. So wetin be the need of you going there say you dey go distract abi distract? No, you no need because they don already marry. I don't know why one man no do for men, one woman no do for men. I don't know why una no fit just sit down say na one woman una go just dey with for the rest of una life. After you marry second wife now, third wife go hungry you. After you marry third wife, you go still get side chick on top. Wetin una want for this world wey una come? Abeg, wetin una want? Because na only God fit settle una matter. I don't try settle una matter for Abuja, it no work. I try Ghana, it no work. I try no way where I never go. Na only God last na God fit settle una matter. If you marry and e don tire you, biko talk to your partner. As simple as that. Talk to your partner. See, babe or boo, see, I cannot do this again. No, it's not working. Simple. No, they put person inside one kind of condition or situation. See, African mentality, sometimes they worry me. If woman marry, we no born male child, problem. Now this one marry 3 boys. No be 1, no be 2, 3 boys. Still, the man go outside. Una no see say e no easy to please men. You go just try to please men before you know you go just end up inside gutter. Wow. You no go even fit stand up again. No kill yourself, women. No kill yourself. E dey very obvious. And this one like this, e dey obvious. Say maybe the man still like am, but she no dey enough. I no know wetin men dey find again for this life. See, my people, if una dey joke with anybody for this world, no joke with person wey dey cook your food. I dey tell una on a serious note, joke with anybody, but person wey dey cook wetin you go chop, no try am. Na why una suppose dey fear women. You go see some men, they go cheat on their wife. They know say the wife don catch them. They go just apologize and behave like say nothing happen. And the woman too go dey smile. Fear women. see when they cook for you, know what she fit put there. After plenty heartbreak, you go just die, my brother. Nothing go happen. Yes, if they arrest herself, they go still release her. So why una no fit just see? No marry if you know say you still dey play around. No marry. Marriage is for serious people. It's for serious people. It's not for all of una wey you never enjoy life finish. Na so una go dey talk. Let me enjoy my life finish. See, una life una no go enjoy am finish because man go enjoy life outside marriage. Still enter marriage, you go still wan enjoy life. Why? No, this matter e dey very very serious. E dey very 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 serious. And now, slay queens. Una know say una matter dey sweet me to dey talk every time. Una go una no go allow me person enjoy in marriage because e dey possible say this new wife she dey aware say this man get wife already. She dey aware, but they don't care. And that's in our wickedness. No woman should make her fellow woman go through this kind of thing. E no nice. E no nice. You know, no go allow me person enjoy in home, peace of mind. Wetin una dey find? So now, as you can't marry another person husband, for your mind now you don't arrive. Oti arrive. Oti settle. You think say you go get peace of mind? It no go happen. It no see karma is real. If you no meet you now, later it go meet you. If no be you sef, one of your children they go meet. See, na like that. So anything una dey do for this life, dey careful. My people, see, the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. Person wey create this statement no foolish. This woman now, wey all of una go dey talk say, the woman dey nag, the woman dey do this. Una go give me 100 reasons. Fine. So how una dey show say this new one now no go dey nag? How una dey show say this one now no go dey do the same thing? Una no know women. Now why una dey do the way una dey do? Una never know women. My dear, Biko, please, Ejo, Tori Olong. It is very simple. If truly you are married to this man legally, sue him for bigamy. As simple as that. Because person wey marry, you're not supposed to go marry another person, a crime without divorce. Or if truly you no fit sue am, Biko file for divorce and carry your children and move. As simple as that. No stress. Don't come and die before your time because of somebody that is not worth it. You understand? As simple as that. Be my people. Which advice will I get for this woman? I dey feel her pain because me too I be woman. You understand? You know dey easy. You know dey easy. Oh. I want to know what you think. Which advice una fit give am, or any other thing una know say una fit put for that place. Drop am. I go reply una one by one. Subscribe if you never subscribe. Share this video. Make everybody know wetin dey happen for this house. Click on that notification bell so now you no go miss anything when we drop. Very very important. Don't go far. I go see you now later.